Hello guys. Wow, these all toys are so muddy. Look, so muddy. Wow, all kind of toys, animal. Wow, look, let's collect and clean it. Wow, what kind of these toys? Wow, let's collect all toys. Wow, what is this? Wow, what kind of these toys? Wow, wow, look, great. Wow, it look like car. Wow, it look like truck. Wow, it look like all a tanker truck and like animal, tiny car and other car. Let's clean all toys. Wow, here is clean water and clean all toys from. Wow, look guys, amazing. Wow, let's collect this one. Wow, water tanker. Oh, let's put there. Wow, this is a blue racing car. Wow, let's see. It's so clean and find another. Wow, this is a zebra. Wow, let's put there. Find another. It looks like animal. Wow, this is a lion.
Dance, dance, everybody dance. Move your paws and take a chance. Spin around now, 1, 2, 3. Dancing in the jungle, look at me.
Amazing. Okay. Wow, this is sheep. Put it here and find another. Wow, this is a sanitation truck. Wow, let's put it here. Find another. What kind of this car is? This is fire control truck. Wow, let's put it here and find another. Wow, this is cheetah. Good. Put it here. Find another. Wow, this is a racing yellow car. Wow, amazing. Let's put it here. And this is wow, this is a Crux, a yellow and red tire car. Wow. Okay. And find another. get another. Wow, this is a horse. Wow, let's put it here and find another. Wow, this is a camel. Let's put it here. And this looks like a tiny. Wow, this is a racing red car. Wow, here. And the last one. Wow, this is cow.